Hello, my name is Carlos Alberto Cruz Jasso, and I am a student in the Universidad Autónoma del Estado de México, Faculty of Engineering. In this presentation, I will explain the analysis of early circuits with a non-zero initial condition as part of activity electrical systems. The values of personalized circuits are uh, R equality 10 ohms, inductor 0.5 henries, and the initial current a 0 equality zero point 0.7 amperes. This part calculation analytic the relay circuits is described by indifferent equation. This is applying the Laplace transform and considering the initial current E0 equality 0.5 amperes, we solve for is the 10 fine voltage using the inverse Laplace transform. The finally the finally analytic result is this equation. In MATLAB, use the symbol math toolbox to verify the analytical solutions. The generate plot shows an exponential curve that starts from a negative voltage and gradually approaches zero over time. This behavior matches the transient response of a circuit. Then I modeled the same circuits in Synapscape. The oscilloscope output show a similar exponential decay, confirming that both tools simulate the same dynamic behavior. The voltage across the inductor decreases exponentially and tends to zero as prediction B theory. Finally, I compared both graphs using GeoGebra and the result matches perfectly. The time axis, the voltage values coincided for confirm that analytic MATLAB and Synapse result are constant. Therefore, can you conclude that both simulation tools accord represent the error circuits transient response by the game initial condition?